Namaste, friends. Two disruptors to success is impatience and greed. I repeat, two major disruptors to anybody's success at any stage in life is impatience and greed. That is why I'm saying to know how to wait is perhaps a greatest secret of success. To know how to wait, to gain that process of waiting, you have put in all the effort, and the process of waiting, possibly it is the greatest secret to success. They say success is what you do with what you have. Success is what you do with what you got. So, the process of waiting possibly is the greatest secret to success. We can do anything we want. We can achieve anything in our life, provided we stick to it long enough. They say the habit of persistence is the habit of victory. And they say everything is hard before it has become easy. Therefore, friends, we can all achieve anything in our life, anything we want in our life, provided we stick to it long enough. The habit of persistence is the habit of victory. Thing seems to be very hard before it becomes easy. Therefore, friends, it is not. Therefore, let us learn to live life well. You live to learn, and you will really learn to live. Two main disruptors to our life, to our success, is impatience and greed. Impatience, you want it right now. Greed, you want more and more of it. It's a product of your mind, an indisciplined, uncontrolled mind, a strong intellect, a powerful thought process whereby you have developed your intellect in such a way you're able to develop this habit of putting in your 100% and wait. That's why it is perhaps that's the greatest success secret looks like, how to wait. The process of waiting. Having done everything, you have to wait. A mother bearing a child, she has to wait 9 months to deliver a child. It is every aspect you got to have that patience and inspiration. Impatience and greed destroys us. Watch out. It's not the way to live life. Impatience and greed, not the right things in life. Patience and inspiration, patience and hard work will help you. Eventually it will help you. Think about it. Namaskar. Friends, if you like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Let more people get benefited. We have over 100 short videos meant for self-development, spiritual alignment. So, and you can also subscribe to our channel, spread this word around, let more people get benefited. Let's do this service to humanity. Let us make people experience happiness, and let us help people live their life in a better way, in a glorious way. Thank you.